CSS3. So just like you have other pieces of software or technologies, they'll have iterations. So what we've been using so far has been mostly just CSS and 1, I guess, and CSS2. I'm just gonna after this little slide here, I'm gonna show you some more CSS3 properties. There are a ton of them, okay, and some of them get pretty advanced, such as even adding animation or interactive kind of components where you can do like transitions. One of the things I would suggest, particularly if this is a degree that you're pursuing or something that you're really interested in, is I have these links here. They both go to W3 schools. One is goes to the tutorial. So if I click on this, it will bring you. Trying to make this work. It'll bring you to these tutorials, and basically it'll go through and it'll just teach you all of the different CSS properties. Move this up a little bit. So a lot of these we've already kind of covered. There's some other ones in here as well. We're going to cover some more. The advanced ones are more or less the ones that are the CSS3. So you see there's even like 3D transitions. There's a bunch of them. Okay, so that one link will lead you to basically these tutorials, and they'll allow you to go through and you can click try for yourself, and it'll show you what the code is. It's a really useful resource when you're just trying to figure out how things work, and it'll guide you through it. Okay. Another one is just this reference guide as well. So if you click on this one, again, it goes to W3 schools, but it just has them all listed here, and you can click on them, and it will bring you to the pages that the tutorial that the other thing showed you, the tutorial pages. And if you look, it seems like a lot. I'm gonna scroll down. Okay, it seems like a lot, but if you were used to coding, it's actually not that bad. There's actually not that many, and a lot of these are kind of like they all work together, like flex direction, flex flow, flex. You know what I mean? So they're because they'll be like margin right, margin left, margin bottom. You know what I mean? So they're kind of just iterations of each other. So it's not as many really as it even looks. So just be aware that that's a really useful resource, and I highly suggest looking at those, particularly moving forward if you're trying to figure out how to do something. Yeah, so that's CSS3. It allows you to basically just do more advanced things than we've already been